let's have a look what we got in the box.
And it's a big Patreon.
Right, so we've got a control unit, got the actual box of tricks itself, whole bunch of cables, strap for the controller, like an interface lead for all your gadgets, USB, iPhone I'm guessing as well in there somewhere, standard auxiliary, then you've got your microphone, manual, and then this is your mute cable which doesn't come with it, which is specific for the car.
Yeah, that's for X-Type and S-Type.
Right, so I think the general gist of it is we're going to take out the centre console trims, remove the radio, get access to that, and then it'll be a case of finding somewhere to run the microphone. On my S-Type I think I ran it up here and it came up here. This is
Did you want this bit?
yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a cover that has to be unclipped on the bottom. So it's green to the left.
Yeah, I think they'll only go one way.
Probably, yeah. Right, so you depress that clip there.
So that's the cable that didn't come with the kit. That's the one we have to buy separately.
This is the extra cable. That'll just plug straight into that. And then the other end will go into there. That's it.
Yep.
So that's that one. So that's the to speaker on the Parrot, or from speaker on the Parrot, to the brown connector on the new lead set we put in. The two radio cable from the Parrot will go into that connector because the clip is in the centre and not offset, so it marries up with that one.
That's it, let's put that in line now.
And then that one goes into
in
there.
Yeah.
Language, English.
It's encouraging?
Yeah, that is encouraging because actually the Parrot recognised the fact that it's connected. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Okay.
Was you going for on the piss, or was you trying to get it straight?
Yeah, I thought I'd sort of I'll go for how's that?
Yeah, perfect.
Probably about half a degree on the west side. But,
Yeah.
Yeah, you okay with that? You sure?
Yeah. Where did you route your microphone on yours? Because I did mine. I went because I ended up taking the glove box out. And I got my interface cable poking out of the glove box.
Well, yeah,
and then I took the microphone up here. Sorry, up here, and mounted it here. Where did you go with yours?
Well, I found that, you know, although Parrot recommend up here, and I think that's mainly because if you've got dual phones connected, each person can use the microphone.
Yeah.
But I found that the noise when driving actually wasn't very good. So I ended up putting it over there and tucking it in to hit this bit.
Right.
So it was actually closer to me because as a driver I was using it more than anyone.
Yeah.
So I ended up clipping it up here somewhere.
Yeah.
In there.
I'm going to do a quick test before we commit to everything. Just plug it all in, make sure it all works.
So connect up the sorry.
Your input cable.
Connect the input cable in. It'll only go into one position in the Parrot. Microphone likewise, there's only one connector that'll fit into. I think you can see that. Yeah?
Yeah. Only goes in one anyway.
It goes in one way. You'll see which way it goes in. Once you've connected it, just turn it a quarter turn and that locks it in.
Didn't actually come with a battery, and the battery is a CR2032.
Yeah, which is fairly standard. It's the same that was used in the door security and key fob.
So that goes on. Goes in there like that, I believe. It should just clip in.
The selected language is English. Update in progress.
Right.
Please wait.
Okay. Parrot. Oh, 3.12 now. Interesting.
Yeah.
Right. 0000.
Pairing successful.
Very successful.
Phone book. Bluetooth audio.
There we go.
Yep. So that's MP3 streaming from the Bluetooth from the phone at the moment. Okay. Now there is actually room up there to probably slot the microphone in without having to actually pop off the A panel.
Let's do it with one.
I'm going to pop that on. I've left you some slack in there, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we can, what we can do is you can pull that through there and get the trim back. And you can play around with that goes afterwards. Microphone's routed. Down that side of the dash and underneath the steering column. And up the A pillar on that side. And that can be routed just by pulling away the rubber door seal.
See if we can get that through there. Perfect.
Wow.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Yep. So
Beautiful.
that does actually go through.
Right, so the input leads back in, microphones leads back in, tidied all those up, everything's in alright. Got these two to go back in.
Yeah, that's for the.
Yeah. So should we,
So we can drop the unit back in now.
job jobbed.